Hey everybody, I'm here at my new listing at 14598 Hidden Canyon Lane in the city of Victorville. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 994 square feet, sitting on a 4,000 square foot lot. The exterior actually was just painted not too long ago, a couple months ago. Here you see that, right? And let's go take a look on the inside. 2-car garage right there. And then let's go ahead and head inside. There's the entrance to the garage there. Okay. So as you enter, you see we got some tile flooring there. Very nice tile flooring that the seller put in. Got an open concept plan here. Beautiful. See, you got shutters in every room throughout the house. So they put in the tile, they put in the backsplash in the kitchen, fully remodeled, paint in the interior. Very nice. It's a little laundry area right there. I'll show that to you in a second. Little TV set up here. I'll show you from this angle. She did such a beautiful job. It's a cozy little house, but she did an amazing job with this property. Beautiful. Okay, so let's head over to the kitchen here. All right, so you got the beautiful countertops, backsplash. Check that out, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love how they did this. And also, pretty sure you noticed when you first came in, but high ceilings and also recessed lighting as well, as you can see there. Okay, beautiful. And then for the laundry, you'll need the stackable laundry because it's a little small, but look at that, check that out. It's beautiful, look at that. Sliding doors, very nice. So as we go through the hallway here, we're gonna go to the first bathroom, right here on the right-hand side, okay? So you got tile floor in there as well. Okay, upgraded bathroom. There we go. And then heading into the master, okay, still got the tile flooring there. All right, shutters, beautiful. Okay, as we're going through here you got the bathroom, fully upgraded as well. Let's check that out there. Awesome, awesome. And then the closet is right there. Got one closet there, and you have another closet there. Okay. And then we'll head into the second room here. Shutters as well. Vinyl flooring at the bottom there. Okay. And you got one closet there. Okay. And then the second room, right next to it, shutters as well. Closet there. All right. And vinyl flooring as well there, as you can see. It's very nice, very nice. And then we'll head out to the backyard where they have an added patio here. So added that. Very nice place to hang out right here. Very comfy. Look at that. The shed back there. Beautiful landscape, artificial grass, very low maintenance. It's really nice. Okay. As we go over here, you got that one gate there. And then if you have dogs, you have a cool little dog run right here on this side. So there you go. Good space, and there's their little doggy right there. What's up, buddy? All right, so let's take another look at this beautiful patio that they installed here. This is very nice. This is really, really nice for, say, someone's just starting out their family. You know what I mean? It's a good neighborhood as well. school districts around here are awesome. You got University Prep not too far from here. You also have Hook Park with Hook Junior Middle School, and you also have Brentwood Park nearby as well. And then all shopping and everything, all the basic day-to-day stuff is very close by. So if you guys are interested in viewing this property, feel free to reach out to me in the heart of Victorville. Okay, contact number 562-441-5752, and yeah, I'll give you a free tour.